Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, please kindly subscribe and join the family. In today's video, we'll be learning the sewing part of how to make a jumpsuit. I went and lining the upper part. This is the back piece, this is the other back piece, and then the front piece, and then this is the band, and then this is the front pants and the back pants. So I went ahead and add a small dart at the back. I marked 5.5 inch and 4 inch down. So this is the back piece. So I'll be joining the back and the front piece, the shoulder of the back and the front piece. And then I'll be joining the other piece. So this is it after joining the shoulders. So for the lining the upper body is optional. If you're not lining it, you can use bias and trim your neckline. So I'll be matching the two notches, so that place will serve as the middle of the front piece. I will pin it down so that it will not shift. I will stitch it. I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch it. So this is it after stitching it. The next thing to do now is to add the band, the waistband. I will notch it to locate the middle. Then I will be placing the two notches together. So this one will be for the back. So this is it after joining the band. Then for the pants, for the back pants, I'll be marking 1 inch. Then I'll be marking 7 inch here. You can mark 8 inches depending on the length of your zip. Then I will stitch and remain 1.5 inch here. For the front pant, I'll be stitching with half an inch. I'll be stitching with half an inch to then I will leave 1.5 inch here. So this is it. This is the front piece, and this is the back piece. You can see it. After that, I'll be placing the front and the back piece together. Then I'll be stitching here with about 3/4 inch, So after stitching it, so this is how it looks after stitching it. So remember we left 1.5 inch opening here, so I'll place it like this and stitch. You can see it. Then after stitching it, this is it. So I'll go ahead and attach the upper bodies to the down bodies. I will attach it. I will notch here and then place it middle, the center, matching with the center of the upper part, and then stitch, join the back piece and that. So this is it after stitching it. I'll go ahead and attach the zipper. So this is it after attaching the zipper. So I will hem the armhole line and then fold the down part. Then after that I'll be stitching the sides. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in my next video.